At the start of season 2, we knew we were going to have this moment where Coop needed to find her voice, and she was going to find it through her music and finally be able to get through her mom.
Once I got the script for Coop, she really reminded me of myself in high school.
All right, this is one of our bigger song placements, and it's going to be really important that we support what's about to happen.
Yes. Look, Patience is your girl.
Come on, my mom's is a work in progress.
A lot of emotion, a lot of fear. There's some tension as well involved in the song. I expect you to put all of that together for me.
See.
What have you been thinking about?
We have some piano, chords.
When you hit the keys, it's like emotion landing, and that's what I want.
And then, since it's high school and football based.
Yes, drumline. We're gonna have Breezy write the lyrics. This is a really important story, not only to our series, but to her.
Definitely, definitely.
I absolutely love creating the music for Coop. Making music about, just the emotion of, finding yourself and being who you want to be. Like, I thought that was lit.
If I'm laying in the hearse, would you cry because I never wore a skirt? Or you be mad because I didn't tell you first?
Most of the time I just play the beat, I put the headphones on and just step right to the mic. So whatever comes out in that moment is what come out. 9 times out of 10, that's what I keep.
You know it's not my style to never say no. Yeah, you know it's my style.
Cool, you want to hear the full one?
Yeah, I've only heard the pieces as they've gone around to everybody, but now I want to hear everything laid in together.
Let's do it.
Excited for NK to hear it, and I'm even more excited for the world to hear it. All right, so we took all your notes on board.
Okay.
I'm excited for you to see how it looks and sounds together.
Let's do this.
Let's hear it.
What if I told you that I'm out here battling my demons? There's some things that you'll never understand, oh.
You guys inverted the verses.
Yeah.
Okay, I see what you
Does
did
it
there.
work?
Yes, because it fits right perfectly over Billy and Jordan. This is
Good,
great.
good.
Just a victim to a story, missing my words.
I hated it. I'm ecstatic.
Okay, good.
That's amazing.
Good. We managed to put this together with all of us in different places, and it worked.
It definitely worked. And I got goosies. Something tells me I'm going to be playing that song for a while.
Done
Go
and
team.
dusted.